Just on the way Revit works here, everything is a family. When it's in the model right here, this is called an instance. There are instance types. So if you make a different kind, then you can change this stuff here. All this stuff here, this is within the instance to be able to change it. Using Dynamo, I can grab these things. This is the programming thing that we're using. So the name of this family is RO text, and it's a generic model. So under here, I'm going to change that to manual. I know this is moving fast, but all so I know that's a generic model. So I'm going to look up generic models. Now, if I hit run on this, it's not just going to give me this generic model, it's going to give me every generic model. Run completed. There's 278 of them. But there's some in here with RO text. I just want to filter those ones out, so that way I can use them. This over here. Move that over here. So I can actually use a filter elements. Filter my name. And so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take those elements, my string, I'm going to make, actually I'm just going to create a code block, call it not a type, because I just know that's what the family name is. You know, you just have to go look it up for a thing there. But an ignore case, that's a Boolean, which means a yes, no, when you hear Boolean, true, false. To ignore the case, I want that true, so that way, even if I mistype the case, it'll do that. So it's not finding not a type. Oh, psh. How about if I do this? RO text. So now I have an in list and an out list. This does not contain RO text. These do contain RO text. So that is this family there that I'm grabbing. And with this out, so if I put a watch right here, the first one is just my first one. So if I run that, it's just going to give me the first one. If I do the second one, it's going to give me the whole in list, which is the ones that include RO text. And these are all the ones that do not contain RO text. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to create a list, because I want to get both that top one and this one together. So when I run it again, I'm going to have this list, but it's going to be broken up, of course, into the first and then the second indexes. And I don't want that. I want them together. So I will do a list flatten. And I'll just apply that there. Hit run again. And now it's only selected the families that I wanted in that list. But that's it for right now. Just something to ponder and look at.